pahay ko dyan? Kasalanan ko bang mahirap yan? Umalis ka dito, piece of crap.
Uy, tara dun. Yung tao dun, libre dun.
Tara, tara. Sarap naman, somay na to.
This and that, we really need to change your attitude.
Ha? Anak, maraming tao ang hindi nakakain ng 3 beses sa isang araw. Let's imagine we're like that.
A life of poverty.
Ha?
What is poverty?
Poverty is when people don't have enough money to meet basic needs such as food, clean water, shelter, education, and healthcare. It makes life harder and limits opportunities for a brighter and better future.
Yeah, and did you know that in
November 2025 SWS survey states that 51% of Filipino families, or 14.3 million, considered themselves poor, slightly higher than September 2025.
Yes, I also heard that.
Poverty is highest in Mindanao, around 65%, followed by Visayas, around 58%. And Luzon outside Metro Manila is about 45%, and Metro Manila is 37%.
Around 40% of families struggle to afford enough food. While poverty is lower than in 2024, around 57%, it is still higher than in 2022 to 2023, around 48%, showing that many families continue to face financial problems.
But what causes it? Well,
Unemployment and low wages. Many people cannot find stable jobs or earn enough to afford food, housing, and education. Lack of education. Limited schooling reduces chance to get better jobs and improve income.
Overpopulation. More people compete with fewer jobs, resources, and services. Corruption. Government funds are misused, so the program meant to help the poor do not reach them.
Natural disasters such as typhoons, floods, and earthquakes destroy homes, crops, and sources of income, and limited opportunities. Some communities lack jobs, roads, schools, and development programs.
But how does that affect us? We're rich.
kaya nga, pero imagine,
Hunger and malnutrition. Families cannot afford enough nutrition food, causing weak and unhealthy children. Limited education. Children often stop studying because their family cannot pay for the school.
Child labor. Kids work to help their families earn money instead of going to school. Poor living conditions. Many live in crowded and unsafe areas with limited clean water and sanitation. Health problems. Poverty reduces access to proper healthcare, medicines, and hospitals. Higher crimes and slow development. Lack of jobs and opportunities can lead some to commit crimes, and the country's growth is affected.
How could we reduce it though?
Create jobs and increase wages. Provide stable work and fair salaries so families can meet their basic needs. Improve education. Make school affordable and accessible so people can get a better job chances.
Support small business. Help communities start and grow business for income generation. Fight corruption. Ensure government funds are used properly to support programs for the poor.
Disaster preparedness. Build stronger communities and provide aids to lessen the effects of natural disasters. Provide social services. Improve access to healthcare, housing, food, and other basic needs for families.
and do you know how student like yourself can help?
How?
Students can help to reduce poverty by volunteering, sharing knowledge, and supporting projects for food, education, and health. Small acts of kindness can give others more opportunities. Remember, poverty is not just about having less money.
It is about having fewer chances.
Fewer opportunities.
And fewer dreams getting fulfilled.
Today, let us remember that even the smallest act of kindness can change someone's life.
Ending poverty and let's start with love.
It starts with compassion. In that, my son, we should be always grateful for what we have.
Yeah. At hoy, finish your siomay. Nung bata ko, inuubos ko yung lahat.
Congrats po.
Buti na lang pala pinagpala tayo.
Opo, salamat po Nay at Tay.